Now I plate my sweet potatoes and the sauce. So if you are looking for cheap recipe, budget recipe, dinner or for lunch, this is recommended for you. It is easy to make and cook. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian sweet potatoes with sauce. This is a very simple, affordable meal and perfect if you are cooking on a budget. Sweet potatoes are healthy, filling and easy to prepare, which makes them a great option for lunch or dinner. So for us, I peel my potato. We have two types of sweet potatoes in Nigeria. We have the pink color, the one that come in the pink color, and we have the one that come in this skin. So this is the one I was able to get for both of them are great. They are very, very healthy. I would have preferred to go for the pink one, but this is the one I was able to get at the market. Now I peel the skin. So I have to peel the skin and cut it into smaller pieces to enable to cook very, very fast. Please, if you are coming across this video for the first time, please support my channel, comment, like, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, I've already finished peeling the potato. Now I've washed it and cut my sweet potatoes. I'll be boiling them with a little salt until they are soft but not too mushy. So you have to cook it soft so that it will not get too mushy. Okay, so next thing, now I place it on the pot. I'm using my cold pot, so I added my salt, little pinch of salt, because potato also has its own sweetness. It comes with this sweet like sugar taste, so you might not want to add too much salt to it. Okay, I bring it to boiling. It's boiling. I have to boil this for probably 15 minutes or 20, but don't let it overcook. Alright, please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please kindly watch to the end of this video, subscribe and comment in the comment section, and also like the video. Right, while the sweet potatoes are cooking, I'll be preparing my sauce, the ingredient for my sauce. Like I showed you from the beginning of the video, I have my tomato mix, palm oil. I have the palm oil, tomato mix, and then I have the seasoning cube and salt. These are the only ingredients I use. Very, very low budget. Okay, friendly. You don't have to start thinking out of what you can do. So this is very, very cheap. So now I plate the potatoes. I heat my oil. I'm heating my oil and the pause. I let it sizzle a little bit. Then I add my mix. I add my onion, sliced onion, and let it fry until it's fragrant, and add my tomato mix. So here I'm adding my onion slice. Then next, now I will add my tomato mix, okay, to fry it a little bit so that you get the raw taste out, to make the raw taste of the tomatoes go out. Okay, so I stir fry it a little bit, then allow it to cook. Right, please watch this video to the end to see the result. And here it is. Now I'm frying it. I have to get the rawness out of it. Please watch this video to the end. I added a little bit of salt, just a little, and I add a cube. I only use 1 cube of seasoning for this. You may not want to eat too much. If you are a seasoning lover, you love too much plenty seasoning, you can add more, but I only use a cube for this because it's a very small sauce. Right, so here the sauce is cooking already. I'll let it cook. Okay, the next, now I plate I place my sweet potatoes and add the sauce to it. You can add your protein if you wish, but for this it's a low budget and for beginners too. Very cheap Nigerian meal. One of the meals you can make if you're looking for what to cook for dinner or lunch. This recipe is for you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment in the comment section. Till I see you in my next video, and